this is my unboxing video of the ENACFIRE E18 Plus wireless headphones. Now, from the Amazon webpage, they are £49.99. They are Bluetooth headphones, aptX stereo sound, don't know what that means, CVC 8.0 noise cancelling, mic, 48 hours playtime, IPX7, waterproof, wireless earbuds, earphones with wireless charging case. So this is my unboxing video of this device. So as you can see, I've got the screen loaded up on my tablet, and they've arrived and they're in this quite nice little box. So I'll just get on with the unboxing. So as you can see, it comes quite nicely presented. I don't know if you can see that. It's in some nice foam with a it's quite nice, really. You've got the case. There's a sticky peel back protector for the lid. You've got a charging port at the back, some information at the bottom. You open them up, and here are the earbuds. Oh, you can see there's a bit of protection on there, so we'll just get rid of those. Oh, that's nice. They sort of snap in on magnets. I mean, some blue lights are flashing. I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong. Whether it'll alter the let me just, plastic sticking on my hand. So they look nice. They're not too heavy. I don't know if you can see that. That's I mean, they're small. Just try one in my ear. I guess you put them in like that. That's a really snug fit. That's nice. I like that. Feels good. Look forward to getting that paired up and listening to some music with that. So that's the headphones themselves. What else do you get in the box? So you get the usual. Well, we get a guarantee card, which is 3 months replacement or full refund, 12 months warranty free. Warranty. Okay, so that's pretty good. Something asking you to send some reviews in, which is good, and the instructions. So we'll see if we can get them paired without the instructions, because I don't like to be like to follow instructions where possible. So what we've got in here, we've got some different sized earbuds. That's 2 different sizes. I don't know, I'm guessing that the medium ones are on the headphones themselves, so we'll see which one I prefer in there. And then you've got a charging cable, which, you know, you'll just connect up. I mean, one thing, it's a bit pitiful, the amount of cable that you get there. You're not exactly going to put that to a wall socket and then to your bedside table, are you? It's what, 15 centimeters. Probably okay if you've got a USB port on your monitor or on your desk somewhere, but that's a little bit small for my liking. But you know, I have 1,000,001 of these lying around the house, so that's not the end of the world. So let's see about getting it paired up. So if I go on to Bluetooth, you can see I've already got one. I mean, that looks pretty good. It's connecting to them. 100% battery remaining. It's connected. Let's turn the volume up high. Let's put them in my ear and see what happens. I'm going to put both of them in. I do know that when I've read through some of the reviews, wow, that's really quiet when they put these on. When I read through some of the reviews, you can use them in mono mode, so you can just have one ear piece in, which I don't know why you'd do that. Maybe it's you're using it as a hands-free kit, and that's maybe a reason. So let's just listen Ooh, I'm gonna go I'm Feeling Lucky based on my music taste. Now I do share this account at work. Wow. Okay, first thing I can tell you, they're pretty loud, and I shouldn't have started that on full volume. That kind of hurt my ears a little bit. That's okay. So the sound quality is pretty good. I'm just gonna, yeah. The bass is quite deep. It's the tones of the notes are nice. This is quite instrumental with a guitar, and I can hear every note. Yeah, these are good. Now I wonder how good they will be at the gym when I'm running on treadmill. If my running partner can get me there. I do struggle a bit to get to the gym, but if these do sound excellent. So for music, I'll give it a couple of thumbs up. They feel really good. They're comfortable in the ear. I'm going to struggle to hear what's going on around me at the same time. So I mean that's probably a good thing for me. I like to just concentrate on music. It's good. I'm just going to try and find it's just, as it's 25 years since Definitely Maybe came out, I should put a little bit of Oasis on. Oh, I do like Cigarettes and Alcohol as an album. Perhaps I should let's put a bit of Oasis on. Yeah, I mean the sound quality is excellent. Really impressed so far. I'll just perhaps pause that, get rid of that, and let's see what something sounds like from the TV. Whether I'm happy with that. Might take a little bit to connect because I'm in the garage here. We'll just continue watching Westworld. And see how atmospheric it is. I know this is probably a pretty rubbish video, me telling you how it sounds, but I don't know any other way that I can convey. I'm pretty happy with them. They seem quite a premium product. The reviews on Amazon were excellent. Just turn that up a bit. Yeah, I mean that sounds brilliant to me again. So I look forward to actually having a bit more time with those and playing with them properly, watching something properly and listening to my music properly. So yeah, really impressed with those. If we go back to the review, like I say, on Amazon you can see it's got 156 5-star reviews, or pretty much. They're good. I'm looking forward to spending a bit more time with them. So thank you for watching.